Yahoo! Hello, hello, hello mga masters and mga kachi! Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning po sa inyong lahat dyan sa Pilipinas at sa buong Asian countries. At kung saan kayong lupalop ng ating daigdig, ay hayaan niyo muna kami ng ating G, the Green Girl, Cutie Patuti Iguana. Nabatiin po kayo ng good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, at good night na po sa mga rin na matulog. At welcome po sa ating premiere na naman ngayon dito po sa Masters Trivia. Ayan. So, ang ating topic po ay nakafocus po sa tips to naturally improve your distant visions. Alright? So, kailangan po natin ang ating mata. Dahil po yung ating mata po ay isa sa ating important, ay one of the most important senses na kung ito ay may problema, tayo ay magkakaroon po tayo ng problema siyempre sa ating activities of daily living or daily life natin. So, we have to take care of our eyes because if we have a problem with the eyes, we can have problems with a lot of our movements and of course our sensations. So yan ba mga masters and mga G, before we continue, may I ask for your thumbs up and if possible po, kung sana po ay mabigyan niyo naman po ako ng full bell notification or tinatawag nating bell notification. Don't forget, mag-thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe dito po sa ating channel, Master Worm, for more updated contents. Alright, so naka-discuss na po tayo. I think 5 na yata ang na-discuss natin. So we are down already to, ano na ba tayo? Nasa number 5 na pala tayo. Number 5 pa lang tayo. Okay. So, ang number 5 po mga masters is reflexology. Okay, reflexology. I think na-discuss ko yan last time, yung reflexology, di ba? Marami po tayong topics dyan sa reflexology. And ngayon ay i-connect din natin yan sa ating health, sa ating eye care. Okay, so according to ancient Chinese medicine, massaging different points of the body can positively affect the health of corresponding body parts. O di ba mga masters and mga ka-G, before may topic tayo na I taught some important points sa paa at sa kamay, di ba? May mga ganun tayong mga topic for ilang araw din yun, di ba? Mahaba-haba din yung ating topic na yun. Kasi we do the lectures every day for 12 minutes. So, na-discuss natin yun a few of those reflexology or tinatawag po nating traditional Chinese reflex points. Okay, reflexology points. Okay, so, ready na po ba kayo to learn some or how important reflexology sa role sa pag-alaga sa ating mga mata? Okay, so, for your eyes, the muscle tension and strain you feel when trying to use your distant visions are due to chi energy or energy not being able to flow through the contracted muscles. May problema po tayo sa muscles, kaya po yung energy na supposed to be gagamitin po ng ating muscles sa ating mga mata ay mahina po mga masters and mga ka-G, mahina po dahil po ay maraming factors po yan. So dito po ay didiscuss natin kung paano natin ayusin yan or paano natin i-improve yung ating energy sa ating mata, sa ating eye muscles. Okay? So sabi po dito, when you look far and the muscles are strained, so you cannot, there's gonna be tension or stress sa ating mga mata. So ang problema po dyan ay hindi talaga natin makikita, hindi po clear kasi po yung muscles natin ay hindi talaga relaxed. So it can cause blurry vision. Okay, so reflexology plays a great role para po ma-improve po ang ating vision, our distal or tawag natin distant vision. So yung makikita mo sa malayo, yung panatawag natin, that's what we call the distant vision. Okay, so by massaging the reflexology points of for your eyes, you're allowing the eye muscles to relax. So meron po tayong mga points sa mata na ipipindutin para po ay magre-relax po ang ating mga eye muscles. Okay? So, and aside from relaxing is the chi to flow freely. So, kailangan may flow of energy po around the area kung saan po nakasurround sa ating eye muscles at syempre sa eye, the organ, the eye itself. Okay? So, hindi tayo pwede tayong mag-stimulate ng mga areas na yan in order for us to initiate or simply stimulate the muscles to relax. Okay, mga masters. Okay, so over time, constant contraction will lead to restricted blood flow. So kung hindi po siya, if the muscles there are not receiving enough or good are not receiving normal blood flow. So blood flow, when you say blood flow, may mga siyempre may mga blood vessels po diyan papunta sa mata natin at nakadaan po yan sa mga muscles. So yung area na yan, kung hindi po siya dinadaluyan ng dugo, there's no good circulation around that area, the muscles and the organ itself will also have a problem in the long run. So that can create like what we call chronic problems, that can create new problems, and that can create a lot of malnutrition kasi syempre the blood that is going to circulate to your eyes and distribute nutrients and blood and oxygen to the muscles, veins, arteries, and of course the organ itself, eye, as we are discussing about the eye. So the eyes needs different kinds of materials like water, oxygen, blood, nutrients like vitamin A, lutein, vitamin C, di ba? Diba na-discuss natin yan last time, di ba, mga masters and mga Haji, that the eye needs different kinds of vitamins and minerals. So particularly ang vitamins A, C, E, antioxidants, omega-3, fatty acids, and lutein. So those are the needs. Not just that, but other stuff. Hindi lang po yan na-discuss dito, pero may mga ibang materials din po na ginagamit po yung need po ng ating mata para po ito ay maging healthy. Especially not just the eye itself, but the muscles and the other surrounding areas sa mata. Okay, so if we have a problem with circulation because the muscles are tight, then there's gonna be restriction of the blood flow. Hindi po makadaloy ng mabuti ang sirkulasyon ng dugo or ng nutrients or ng whatever that's supposed to reach the eye itself. Okay? So, are you guys learning? So, bago pa lang tayo kalagitnaan na tayo ng ating topic, pero I hope you guys are enjoying and listening. Okay? So, the reflexology points for your eyes are located on the bottom of your feet. Okay? Sa ilalim ng ating paa. So, the U-shaped section below the second and the third toe. So, wala akong paa na ipapakita sa inyo. Pero kung ito yung ating paa, dito po siya. So, there's the second and the third toe. May U po siya dyan. May U. So, halimbawa, imagine nyo lang po, ito yung paa nyo. So, meron po siya dito. Dito yan. So, sandali po. Tayo. So, basta, it's the U-shaped section below the your second and the third toes where is where you massage. The left foot coordinates with your right eye. Tandaan niyo po mga masters ang inyong mga left na foot, ang left na foot niyo po ay para sa right na mata. Ang iyong right naman na paa ay para yan sa left na mata. Okay, it's cross. In Chinese medicine, especially with the points, the meridian points and reflexology points, there's a lot of organs that have what we call the cross reference. So, baliktad. Kung kaliwa yung problema, yung kanan yung stimulate, but there's a specific point for that, which is what we call the reflex points. Okay? So, spend 15 minutes a day rubbing these spots to improve your eye muscles and vision. Ayan po mga masters. So, ito po yung point itself. Papatayin ko muna yung ilaw dito para makita niyo yung picture mismo. So, this is the point itself, mga masters. Ayun po siya. Yan. So, yan po ang point. Eye point. So, sa kalagitnaan po yan, ha. Ewan ko ba, ba't ito yung picture na nakuha ko. Basta, yung sa kalagitnaan po ng right and second and the third toe, dito po siya. Dito po yan. Ganyan yan po siya. Dito yan. Yan, dito mo i-massage. Pero sa paa ha, on the foot, not on the hands. So, kasi hindi ko mapapakita yung foot ko ngayon kasi syempre nakatayo pa tayo at saka nakasapatos po ako ngayon. So, yun po yung point. Ito po, halimbawa ito yung paa mo. So, second and the third toe dito po sa U. May U po dyan. Dyan mo isi-simulate. So, 15 minutes mo siyang mamasahin. Yan, 15 minutes. Kung left na kamay, left na paa pala, itong left na paa, that's for your right eye. So ito po ay makakatulong po para mag-relax po ang muscles natin sa ating mata, and that muscles, once they're relaxed, you will have a better distant vision. So ang sinasabi nating distant vision is yung iyong paningin sa malayo. Okay, so ayan po mga masters. So again, this one, foot, sa paa po yan ha. Pag dito tayo magmamassage, 15 minutes, that is good for your right. Left hand is for the right, left foot is for the right eye, and the right foot is for the left eye. So in between po ng second and the third toe, toe ha, hindi to fingers, toe. So ito po ang U, dyan po yan magmamassage. So 15 minutes po every day, or pwede naman sa umaga 15 minutes, sa gabi 15 minutes din po. That can help us relax the eye muscles. And that is reflexology para po sa ating distant vision. Again, maraming salamat po mga masters. And this is G. Nakuha natin nga si G. Natutulog na naman. Your green girly cutie patutiguana. And your one and only master worm. God is great. Yahoo!